This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz E350. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, speed-sensitive volume controls, a low tire pressure indicator, blind spot assist, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Fort Washington for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 404 Pennsylvania Avenue in Fort Washington. We look forward to serving you.